Hello guys. So um, there is how you Discord bot that will send a message to MT4 or MT5. And this is our further state. So you can see that there is a four kind of files. First one is a EXE file. That's a Windows file. Another one, separate code is a MT4 and MT5 file. The file in another is a set file. That in order to set this file, we call the start the open. So I will show you how you can extract this token from the browser and just paste here. You don't have to do it. The changes are just paste here. Just paste your token here. Good. So let's start. So welcome this period. Just go log in with ID or the username or ID password. With that. Just go in the channel that you want to copy. Or any other channel you can happen. You want to go. Just on here and then press Ctrl and C. So in Spring Element will be start. And you will see. You will see here the network I just you will see something here like whenever you want to write just something like that. When you write something in the text box, it will show the typing window. Okay, just click on it, single people on the head, and then check the authentication code. Okay, this is authentication level. We have to just copy this code. It's called token. It's a token ID. Just copy this and paste here. And save it. Okay. So installation is done. Now you have to start the exe file. So one thing is you will have to do. You have to go in the your username. This is your username. Then after both, app data here. Okay. If you don't see this folder, just go in the view and show hidden items. It will show the data. Just right click here and property and the store. Just unclick read only here. Okay, and apply to this folder and subfolder as well. Yeah. It will apply to all the folders. Okay, so we can start now. So we can start our applications on Discord. Just right click on it and open with administrator. Okay.
You say them.
So it will open this panel. Okay. So this close this inspect element, and after that just copy this ID, this group ID, chat ID, and just paste here. Okay, so whenever you work something here, it will be show the VLN. Okay, and it will show as it will also show the times. Okay, now let's start. You have to install this. Let's go in the USB and find the desktop kernel. I just pasted this to file in the folder. You have to put the suffix and prefix of it. Right? I have the USD.ECN, so I will put the ECN. Yeah. After the sync, prefix is before the symbol, and after suffix is after the symbol. So let's see. Yeah. Other one is a MT5. Yeah. I can apply this pair this here in the any pane. Just click on it. You don't have to do anything because here the no symbols, suffix and prefix. That's when you don't do anything. Then in the settings you can see the 4 kind of setting. The fix load, MM load size, loads based on this convention. I mean the mods. And how much water take that is better. So during this order, I want to risk for a month. That like if you have the 1020, it will, if you put the 1% risk, then to take the $10 for 20%. This is in notes based on amount per minute of the SL. So if you put the $10 risk amount, so it will place the asset. So it will take the order as the asset of the $10 set. Okay. So we can right now I'm putting the placed in with there. Here with place one. These are very one variable. So we are sending the signals for so for the signal I open this. Okay, I saved some signals in these at the here. So first down to stop cell stop. So just complete and that's just cell stop. And see about that I open here. We can see what that I open here. And you can see the risk amount you per trade. Then we'll see here the risk is $100. That's a 1% of $10,000. Here the risk is $8. It's a 1% of the 728 bonus. So slightly it will be different. Here the lot size is bigger because the small is an entity. And now if you want to close something like that, you want to close the file that's in there. So just like close view all key. Because it was playing a cell start. So it means close what cell stop. If you want to close by stop at a time. We'll close the by stop. It will also show the order to pass here, but yeah. Let's see your test field. So now the date then. Third one is a cell number. You can see any format it will be support. Most of the format is in this file. I put the different all the formats like that. I put the like here, like that. It will replace the thread and the same pattern again. Listen. Remain. The C. The C. If you want to use the, if you want to close the old thread, in one click, just bend like that. That was good. Yeah. So it will close the old thread. Okay. And just like that, you can move the SL to the entry like this. Hit the main. And if you want to open another thread like that, it will be like if I go down. First time, we go on to open same thread the solvent, so it's layer side, please. But so when I put this, so let's start in the another pay and out. Is a divine. So I'll place the serial here. I'll set the risk of cover 2% for equity. And then SREB error.
I o'clock.
Then it's SREB the PREB here. It's just out of that. So it's all point order. Yeah. Wait. Oh, sorry. I put the wrong symbols. Right. So, what the? ESTJB. SC. So that was the long size. I mean, sorry, long format, the model. Sorry, format perfect. You can see pro kit member. Now it spreads this TP. So you can both place another thread like the just we well one in the thread and then 4. At base you can do anything like that. You can see now. Now we can just close those videos. There is no thread will sorry. In number of position already depending. So it close all those nucleus page, okay. Or you want to close the specifically types about it, the thinkers on the CSP, say P right like by or say or by me like that you can close it. A data. Select that you can see again. Or this. Instead 14. see a 6 number of development. So what was specifically one kind of orders like here goes and various E. Okay. What does that mean? Goes by in middle. So the bilimb is not there. That church not closed. Set with first. And I did close this. Only guide. My to close the all variables. Like there, I'll then close everything. Okay. So this is all port. And then this is all appearing. Take C. You can add the multiple IDs here, like that. Like that. And just click on the submit. What do you start the solving? Multiple different ID like I4 but I4 this ID and I type by this ID. This all. Okay. So this is my another ID. Right now I'm messaging here but it's human, so because I did it. Or the it's limited. So I'm to edit. Submit. Hello. It will solve hell. So we allow it here and then ISO sends you it here. Like with we'll see. Okay. So everything is okay. Bye.